How to paint a house faster and easier. Most houses will need to be washed down prior to painting. Wipe a white cloth across the side of your house and you will witness years or even decades worth of accumulated gray soot and dust. Even in the most desperate of painting projects, it is still recommended to wash down the house. You create more work for yourself when you choose to change your exterior house color. It significantly increases the amount of work when the new coat is lighter than the existing coat. Even with one coat painting, the old color often will still show through in some areas. When you paint the same color, though, those areas blend in. Does your house need a complete coat of primer before applying the paint? Maybe not. Scraping paint is a universally unloved subset of painting. After scraping paint for a couple of hours, you will long for the comparatively easier jobs of brushing, rolling, or spraying. Paint rolling lets you cover large expanses fast. The catch is that many types of siding do not lend themselves to rolling. Shiplap siding, for instance, is difficult to paint with a paint roller. Wide shiplap, though, can be painted with a roller. Paint spraying is both a time saver and a time waster. On the one hand, spraying allows you to quickly and efficiently cover large areas or areas with lots of details. After a punishing day of painting, the main thing you want to do is sit down and have a cold drink. So, the last thing you want to do is clean up your brushes and roller covers. But cleaning is an essential step in keeping your painting tools around for a long time and in good condition. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.